Hi guys, this is Merv, Bonsai with Merv. This last week, I believe it was, that I talked about the Malpighia punicifolia and how we can control the flowering and the fruiting on that. Now, I don't know if you remember this particular plant. This is our informal upright that was originally put into this pot July 2013. That's a little over a year ago. And as you can see, the branches are holding off very nicely. Have some cherries on it. It will flower again, but at the same time you've noticed that I've let the top just grow out of just getting going and doing its wild thing. And I purposely am doing this because the more foliage that you can have growing on the top, the base will have to handle all of this weight factor, and it will fatten up the trunk. And I do want this to fatten up a little bit more as this is developing. And what it's doing at the same time, if you look up here, you'll notice that I have two branches going, which means one of these branches will be another branch here. And as this apex is brought up, we got two short branches here, which will be two more branches. So as we progress, we'll be able to really create a beautiful informal upright. This bunjing is going to be gorgeous. Okay? So bear with me. Next spring, I'm going to just let it grow, let it do its thing, and come next spring, we're going to get into it again. We'll reshape it. At the same time, I am still trimming the branches that are there, because I want this branch ramification to really take off, and I'll show you the next staging as we get to the top. Thank you for being with me. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Let's just get going on these things, and just let me know how you like us. YouTube and Facebook, and yeah, subscribe to us. Let me know where we're at. God bless you. Have a great day. Thank you for being with me. Bye.